Hey! I am Fearless Coder. Let's start. A list is a collection of data items, separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. In Python, a list can be created by using the list_or constructor. For example, list1 equals empty list. List2 equals list of integers. List3 equals list of strings. List4 equals mixed list. Index. This method returns the index of the given element in the list. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Print list1.index4. Output, 5. Append. The append method adds an element at the end of a list. For example, my_list equals 1, 2, 3, my_list.append4. Print my_list. Output, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear. Clear method in Python is used to remove all the elements from the list and make it an empty list. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, list1.clear print list1. Output is empty. Extend. Python's list_extend method is used to add elements to the end of an existing list. For example, my_list equals 1, 2, 3, my_list.extend 4, 5, 6. Print my_list. Output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Copy. This method returns a shallow copy of the list. Syntax, list_name.copy. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, list2 equals list1.copy. Print list2 elements, list2. Output, list2 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. Count is a method of list in Python which is used to count the number of occurrences of an element in a given list. Syntax, list.countElement. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Print list1.count1. Output, 3. Pop. The pop method removes the item at the given index from the list and returns the removed item. For example, animals equals cat, dog, elephant, removed_animal equals animals.pop. Print removed_animal. Output, elephant. Remove. The remove method removes the specified item from the list. For example, numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, numbers.remove 3 print numbers. Output, 1, 2, 4, 5. Reverse. The reverse method reverses the elements of the list. Syntax, list.reverse. For example, list1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, list1.reverse print list1. Output, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For more videos, subscribe. Fearless Coder.